Hey guys, just want to do this quick video to show you the new feature that we introduced to our program within credit repair appointments. We just added ChatGPT to start actually talking to your leads and actually booking them for you without you having to do any of the work. And it's working so good. So you can see here, this is one of the leads that just came in. They sent this first text. Hey, thank you for signing up to receive more information about our credit repair program. Can you please confirm that the information we have is correct by responding with yes? And still didn't respond to all these texts, the lead, but they responded to this one. It said below 600. And then the chat GPT just took over. As you can see here, sorry to hear that, Donald. Can you tell me why you want to improve your credit right now to get a new house? Great. That's an excellent reason to improve your credit. When would you be free to talk to one of our experts between Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.? He said 11 a.m. Monday morning. Great. That works for us. We look forward to speaking with you then. Is there anything else that I can answer for you today? No, and thank you so much. So as you can see here, the ChatGPT responding so fast, like no human being can be on point with every lead, but the ChatGPT is doing that for you automatically. And as you can see here, if we check the appointments, it's booked. He booked that, and it's all done. You don't have to call your leads. You don't have to do the follow-up. ChatGPT is right here for you guys. So look, if you own a credit repair business and you're trying to grow and trying to scale, the best decision you can make is actually by booking a call with us. Because here's why. What we do is we offer you 100 credit repair qualified lead in the first 30 days, or else you don't have to pay anything. There is no risk for you. We've been doing this for a long time. As you can see, just for this client right here, I'm just going to show you the amount of leads it's been getting. It's been very consistent. It's been very consistent overall. And I'm just going to show you right now. If you just go into contacts right here, you can see this is just in the last 24 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yesterday, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The day before that, and as you can see here, it's already like a month and a half now, and we've got over 451 leads, and the client's been already closing over 50 deals out of these 451 leads. So, and we always tell clients to charge a high ticket price, so it's $1,200. They divide it in 3 months, so $400 a month for 3 months. So if you do the math on 50 deals times 400, that's $20,000 on a monthly recurring revenue for the next 3 months just from these leads. And we've only spent about like $500, $600 on ads. So that's not very like a bad investment. Like the return on investment is insane. And that's what I love about credit repair and credit repair leads. They're cheap to acquire. And if you have the right systems in place, you can actually capitalize on that and make as much money as possible with your credit repair business. So I don't like to repeat myself that much, but if you haven't yet, book a call and let's talk. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.